you know that Indians like us are stuck here in Netherlands, and we, of course, thanks to the Indian Embassy, that we are taking care of the food actually. And for food, as I'm talking about food, so this is the house of Rukmini and Mani. So Rukmini and Mani are not letting us forget our home, in the sense that they are making some delicious desi khana for all of us here. We are like 50 of us in Netherlands in NH Hotel. With me is, of course, Gunjan, another person who both are stuck. She's from Gujarat and I'm from Delhi, but both for her and for me, ghar ka khana is, we are not missing it, thanks to Rukmini. In fact, thanks to Rukmini and her very supportive pillar of strength, Mani. I would request, we'll just get into their house.
Start.
Now I think वो both of us can go to the kitchen and देखते हैं स्वादिष्ट खाना कैसे बनता है और रुक्मिणी क्या क्या करती है in her wonderful kitchen. Come on.
Start.
Yeah, I'm going to make chole. First I have to say hi. So I'm standing in Rukmini's Madras kitchen, as they call it. Their awesome food. I'm standing here in the kitchen. So Rukmini, Madras kitchen में आज क्या बन रहा है?
Today I am going to make chole. Chole is in the cooker. I had prepared onion and tomato curry. I am going to mix it with the chole. Finally, product will be ready by half an hour. Yeah.
Tell me about your journey with Madras Kitchen. How you came here, आपने कैसे शुरू किया, and what was the passion of cooking that brought you here?
See, basically I am a teacher. I couldn't continue my job because of his work. We have been traveling around so many places. So I love cooking. First of all, I love cooking. So I thought of doing something with the kitchen and cooking. So we started a business called we have started home catering. We have named it Madras Kitchen.
Yeah. And again, the person with me, Badri Mani, tell me the response to Madras Kitchen, because we are obviously in a foreign land. They're Dutch. Have you have good customers in this land?
Yes. So I think getting good quality food is very demanding here, right? So and that is our passion, to give quality, tasty Indian food to all the customers. So we have been getting very positive response, both from South Indians, North Indians, as well as the Dutch people. So there are like many Dutch people who have tasted head food, Madras Kitchen's food, and they have given very positive comments. And so that is keeping us going, I would say. Yeah.
Also, another important thing I would like to say, that of course we know that there is a virus called COVID-19 which is there, and a lot of people have to use a lot of precautions and preparedness. So you can see here she is very much careful with the gloves and all that. So I just wanted to make a point that here it's not only the taste, the food, also the safety of customers. They take a full guarantee of the health, which is a plus point. That's it. Yeah. So we saw some interesting cooking tips that she had made. The bags, the pouches with masala, and she put it in the chickpea while boiling it. Now, most importantly, we must ask you, Rukmini and Mani, your future plans. Of course, you've done a wonderful job. You're feeding us and a lot of people here. Where do you see 5 years from now, and how do you want to grow this?
Yeah. So what we have been focusing mainly is on the lunch service, which we are offering to offices in and around Hopra. I think her passion is to establish that further. To industrialize it, right? So right now, being a home catering, we have limitations in terms of the amount of people we could service. So our passion is to take it to the next level, industrialize it, bring people from Netherlands, from India to support us, establish it as an industry where we could service more people, all offices in and around this place as well as all over Netherlands. I think that's our aim, to make this as a proper lunch service, as a lunch bus that we could offer to more people and take it. That's the aim, that's the goal for us. Yeah.
As of now, how many people are you servicing?
So
Around 45 people?
Around 45.
45 to 50 every day.
45 to 50 every day.
Yeah.
And I just want to know, of course, we are from India, we are back home. We get a lot of help in the sense, you have a setup where people help and stuff. What is the system here like? I mean, if you want to make it in industrial proportion, I believe you would have to get people, helpers, and how do you foresee that?
So absolutely, I think people's availability and so the workforce is quite challenging. So we have to hire, of course, people from here as well as from India to support this, to make it to the next level. So right now the industry, the setup is single ownership business, which she is doing. I think we have to make it as a BV, which is the next level of the business. Then that would help us to bring investment as well, and then bring people from both local market as well as from
we want to wrap it up here. If I ask you what you like to tell to your potential customers in one short word, what would you like to tell your customers? What would you like to tell your customers?
Yes, so I think you may be best to say that.
Yeah. I'm not using preservatives, I'm not using colors, everything is homemade food. We are using first of all fresh foods. I'm not using the tinned store-bought tomatoes paste, nothing we are not using. Only fresh foods we are making. We are giving our best.
I think if you see our website, our tagline is taste with quality matters. I think we always stick to that.
Okay.
So we want to provide taste Indian food, but with the right quality.
With the right quality.
So that's our motto, and I think when we industrialize this, I think we will continue with the same taste and with the same quality. I think that's our goal. Yeah.
I would like to wrap it up here, and I totally 100% as a satisfied customer, I would like to kind of would want to certify it, though I'm nobody, but as a customer, as a very satisfied customer, people who are here in Holland, please try their food out. This is very sweet couple, Rukmini and Badri Mani, and they're really trying the level best to come up and do something really nice and feed you guys some delicious, good food, healthy food. I will leave you here, and thank you and namaste to everyone. So what you're doing now, Rukmini?
Yeah, just I am folding some fresh herbs, Indian herbs, some cinnamon sticks, fennel, onion, elaichi, Marathi mokku. Because don't want to stick into our teeth, so I am making a little bag. Because you will get a fresh flavor from our herbs, spices. I have added kalpasi, so many our spices. So you don't get into your teeth.
Yeah. And after this,
While
what
eating, you will get only the flavor of
So
the
you
spices.
putting
Yeah,
it-
I'm putting into while boiling the chickpeas, I'm adding into that pan. Yeah, you will get only the juice.
That's nice. मेरे साथ हैं यहाँ पे दो वेरी क्यूट कपल्स जो ऑफ कोर्स गुजरात से हैं और यहाँ पे हनीमून में फंस गए हैं, कृणाल पटेल और गुंजन। कृणाल, मुझे इतना बताओ कि तुम्हारा स्टोरी बताओ, कैसे फंसे NH होटल एंड एम्स्टरडम पे?
We are here from 18 March and we are the opener of this hotel from India. तो हुआ क्या था कि we are scared कि हम कहाँ रहेंगे, what we will eat. But embassy has give us a very nice hotel, and for food I can say हमें भगवान मिल गए. Because जो food है ना, उनका quality of food and the management of food, it came in time what they had decided, what they had told yesterday कि we will come by 1:30, वो time पे आ जाते हैं. बाई नाइट वो टाइम पे आ जाते हैं एंड हमें ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है वी आर ईटिंग आउटसाइड ऑफ फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. इट्स अ होम मेड फूड. The taste of South Indian, I like it very much. I had pav bhaji, I had idli, chole, but main thing was कि you never feel कि you are having food from outside hotel or something where, but it's homemade. So I always prefer कि जो भी Netherlands में आ रहा है just try it once. It's awesome man.
गुंजन जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? कुछ ऐसा खाना जो आपको बहुत पसंद आया जिन्होंने बनाया है?
Custard, idli sambar, pav bhaji, like homemade, and many
मैनी थिंग जो है वो सारा कुछ घर का ही लग रहा है हमें. एंड द पर्सन जो हमसे डील कर रहा है, आई ऑल्सो फील दैट कि द नेचर वाइज, द फूड वाइज, द क्वालिटी, आई कैन गिव 10 ऑफ द 10.
सो अगले बार अगर आप एम्स्टरडेम में खुदा ना खास्ता फंसते हैं तो बद्री इज योर गो टू.
वो हमारा दूसरा घर है.